This video is about the 1986 Chevy Blazer me and Brandon road trip to New Jersey to get. So
New project car.
it is set up for a small block Chevy. It has a conversion motor mounts, tubular A-arms. They have a sumped gas tank, and it has a 1/2-inch aluminum fuel line. The guy went through and put new brake lines on it. It came with the Bergeson steering shaft to put that you could clear the headers with, a manual steering box. It came with the MSD 6AL. Like I said, it's got a nice metallic purplish, I don't know if that's purple, I'm not good with colors, paint job. Now the bad, we got Fred Flintstone major, we got raccoon poop too. But we have new floorboards in this box, and obviously the headliner. But besides those floorboards, the body is in very good shape. They converted the back tailgate to be electronically activated instead of having a latch on it, a manual latch. They put a push button release, which is pretty neat, but lots of potential. It is mini tubbed, but it only has the 7.5-inch S10 rear in it. That's got to go. So we are going to do a video especially on that Explorer rear of how to narrow it and make it fit, which it will fit in here. I think the spring perch holes are only off by 1/4 inch, but then the center of the pinion is offset by 2 inches. So on an Explorer, the right axle is 2 inches longer than the left axle. So we're going to narrow down the right side and put a left axle in it, so it's 2 inches narrower, and then we'll adjust the spring perches. But that's over the winter. We're just doing a video on this. There is still hope out there for young people that want to have a neat rear wheel drive American car and put some kind of V8 in it. This is still affordable. Obviously the S10 trucks are real popular too, but this is something that, don't quote me on this, I could be wrong, but I think this is a shorter wheelbase than the short bed S10 truck, or maybe it's the same. I don't know, but it's a lightweight vehicle. It's rear-wheel drive, and if it's we could even put a big block in here, but that would be too much of a headache. And by the way, if you are going to build a motor, it is big block Chevys from the junkyard now, which are the generation 5 or 6, are affordable, and you can find them. And best bang for your buck, if you have one, you're definitely going to make way more torque than a small block Chevy for comparable price. But we already have a motor that we have in mind for this. Hint, it's a 400 small block. But that, like I said, is over the winter project. We're going to worry about the Nova. We're going to make a list of things we want to do in priority. But this is an excellent platform for younger kids or anybody that wants to get into it for cheap.